Good morning, everybody. Will back, Will Shop Dayton Rebuilds with another Copart Walkaround. And the first vehicle on the list is a 2005 Jeep Limited. It's listed as a drive. It's canceled out because of front end damage. As you can see here, you're going to need at least a bumper, fender, light, bumper, and let's see if I can see what's broken up on here for y'all real quick. Let's see, sway bar link is completely bent. It's probably the tie rod end. Let's see, the lower ball joint is connected. Right there, that is completely bent, so I can't really see it, but I'm gonna say it's probably the tie rod end, outer tie rod end over there. Let's see if I can get y'all up there. Probably the tie rod. Yep, I think I see it. Yep, tie rod end. Yep, tie rod end. Okay, so trying to do this quick, everybody. Storm's coming, snow, rain, which means I will probably try to split these up into two separate videos. 3.7 limited. Other than the front end damage, it's honestly pretty clean. It's Liberty. Let's see. Inside looks good. Smells good. Y'all will be able to see better than me if it's clean back there or not. Huh. This was honestly pretty clean. Keep an eye on this one for tomorrow. As I said, as I can tell, needs sway bar links, tie rod ends. It's pretty clean. Yeah, definitely. The headlight's good. What is it? The fog light? Yeah, the side marker light actually. So bumper, side marker light. Probably find you a black fender and a black bumper. Definitely gonna need your rim. Just notice that doesn't have air. Gonna need a rim in it. And tie rod in and sway bar link. It looks like. Not bad. I mean, it's a Jeep Limited. Airbag is blown. Missing the cover there for the fuses. Let's see. We got 146,847 miles. It's not bad. You got 2 keys with it. Sweet. And starts right up. Airbag, seatbelt light. No check engine light on here. TPS light. No check engine light. Window works, everything works. Probably, most likely. Oh, that's where's the window? Oh, my bad. Limited, it's in the middle. Alright, good. Good. All the windows work. It's pretty clean in here. You got all-wheel drive, full-time 4-wheel drive. Very, very clean. Barely needs a detail. Let's take a look at the engine real quick and jump on to the next one. I'm gonna say it's pretty clean. This is a nice one though. Once again, don't want to shut that with a lock, possibly lock. Not a huge fan of Jeeps, but this one right here seems like a nice little, oh yeah. Engine's clean, full of coolant, running smooth. Like recently replaced hose. Coil packs look good. Everything looks pretty good. Okay, so it sounds like you got that, these had the plastic intake on them. And I think sometimes like a little plastic piece or something goes down in there, but I mean, it's kind of common on them. As long as this doesn't overheat, I would say it's good. All right, let's get on to the next one. Brand new battery, 2019 battery. I'm assuming it's good just because it has a wreck on it. I think everything was like recently replaced, taken care of. It was driving good, and then someone got into a wreck in it. All right, on to the next one. All right, back with the next one. 2009 Nissan Maxima, and it's really clean. It's listed as a drive. Canceled out because of mechanical. I don't know how it listed as drive and mechanical. Got a little bit of rust on the door right there. That's super common. Back seems clean. No damage over the quarter panel, nothing like that. Huh. I like Nissan, but I'm not a huge fan of the Maximals like that, but don't see no damage. Let's check out the inside. It's got 257,894. That's probably why I made it all the way up there. It's clean. Man, this can't have 300,000 on it. Still clean on the inside. Really clean. Smells good. Like, Found a lot of interesting vehicles today. Glad I came out today. Inside's clean. Got nice floor mats. We got power, so I'm gonna assume she's gonna start. CVT. Yeah, it starts right up. A nice little center console in there. Aftermarket radio. Pretty clean. It's pretty clean. Got your roof in it. It's listed as a, I don't see no lights. How's it listed as mechanical if there's no lights on? More than 300. See, no check engine light or nothing. I think they just canceled this out because of the mileage on it. Let's see if it shows, transmission is normally kicked into neutral. Moves. Huh. This one's interesting too, man. It's clean. Let's see, the ashtray is still clean. You got your radio to it. Even comes with some change. Nice. Huh. It's be a nice little car. Alright, back with the next one. A 2004 Toyota Tacoma STR. And it's here canceled out for normal wear. Sorry, I don't see much. I don't see no body damage really. Like I said, normal wear. Definitely needs a tire here. You have the spare right there, so I mean, not a big deal. Looks like a little bit of damage right there at the rear bumper, but not much. This is probably the most major thing, but you can find the window at the junkyard and put it back in correctly. It's just a window here taped on. This says a running drive. I got this because this is a nice little truck, man. Somebody that wants a nice little truck, a truck, but not a huge gas guzzling truck. Inside, pretty filthy. Once again, it's a truck, but pretty filthy. You got the back rows back there, small. Let's see if she starts. She's listed as a drive. Let's see if we can get the mileage on it real quick. Press button and turn. Oh, we got noise. Got mileage 244,911. She starts. She don't sound bad at all either. So let's go take a look at this engine. This sounds like this sounds like a steal right here. I ain't gonna lie to you. Run and drive. I'm gonna throw this on my list. If I can get the hood. There it is. Oh man. Huh. Battery's a 17. Brake fluid's still good. Master cylinder is like brand new, not too old. Intake looks like it was clean. Man, keep running smooth, dude. He's running smooth. Huh. Everybody be very, very quiet about this one. Be very quiet about this one right here. Huh. Yeah. You gotta check engine light though. Do have a check engine light and definitely need some gas, but seems like one to keep an eye on too. It's a nice little truck. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, back with the next one. A 2004 Ford Mustang. And it's canceled out for front end damage. If you can see, you got scraping across the front bumper. And the fender is pushed in right here. I don't know if you can see how well you can see it, but it's definitely pushed in, dented in right there. Other than that, I don't see any damage. It's listed as a drive. Ford Mustang. Don't know what engine is in it yet. We're gonna check it out. Let's see if it starts and drives first. It's not bad. A little dirty. Door opens right up. Interior not too bad. Leather still decent on the seats. It is automatic. You got a little entertainment system in there. The Ford floor mats look like they had a box in there. We'll look and see if that's still in there. You got your mount. You got your camera mount already ready to go. See if she'll start. She has power. I see the blinking, so we may have power. Maybe no. Maybe this one. What is a small key for? Hold on 1 second. There we go. All right. Let's see. We got 162,328 miles. She starts. Oh, look at this engine and see what they done did to it. I just feel like they've done something. She don't sound too bad. Exhaust you got your exhaust tips. You got the dual exhaust back there. They're a little ticking, but let's see after it idles down. Woo! Okay, yeah, this makes sense. We got the K&A, the K&N cold air filter there. Original intake. I'm gonna change the intake. Well, no, actually, I think these came with a plastic intake, so the intake looks like it's been changed. You got your red heater hoses, G+. Alternator's running smooth. It runs really smooth, man. AC works. AC moving. Runs really, really smooth, man. Huh. Looks like someone recently did the spark plugs. You got your red wires running up in there. Like I said, they look like they had music on it. Man. She runs smooth, too. She runs really, really well. Huh. Silly. No real misfire at all or anything. That runs pretty smooth, man. They took care of it. Whoever had it, looks like they took care of it. Why does this thing just look like it's perfect for a supercharger? Now I see why people supercharge Ford Mustangs. Yeah, that's a brand new alternator too, man. That alternator is brand new. You can tell. Put it on correctly. She's running good. Let's see, we got the throttle body up here. Let's give it a couple revs. It's done warmed up. Hear how that look like you got some little oil leaks and stuff down there, but they might have put a cam in here too. Huh. She runs good. She sounds good. I gotta hear that one more time. Sounds like somebody might have put a cam in it. Hear that over there? Either that or it's the exhaust not completely from up here, but that sounds good. Closes perfectly. Huh. This is another one. Is that that's the 40th edition, 40th anniversary Mustang right here. like the rims. Not a big fan of them, but those are actually pretty nice. Makes it look like a Hot Wheel car. Huh. I like this. Let's see, do we have any check engine light or anything on here? We don't have any check engine lights, anything like that. Voltage is good, oil pressure is good. Huh. She runs good. Let's see, we got brakes. Let's see if it shifts, neutral, drive. Oh yeah, and she absolutely sounds like she's ready to go. So this is another one to keep an eye on. On to the next one. I like the anniversary thing, 40th anniversary right there too. That's sweet. All right, on to the next.